Hello everyone, in this video we are going to review best 5 compact cameras in 2019. Before this, make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest technology videos. So let's start. At number 5, we have Panasonic Lumix LX100II, a brilliant compact camera for the enthusiast photographer. There are 3 reasons to buy Lumix LX100II. Large sensor, small body and a good handling, while the 24 to 75mm zoom lens is modest for a compact. Don't discount the Lumix LX100 if you are looking for a versatile compact that delivers great images. Not only does the lens have a fast variable maximum aperture of f1.7 to 2.8, but the multi-aspect ratio 17 megapixel micro four thirds sensor means it delivers some of the best images you are likely to see from a compact camera. There is also a nifty built-in electronic viewfinder, large touch screen. Though it doesn't pull away from the body, unfortunately, 4K video and a decent array of body mounted controls. If you want to buy a Panasonic Lumix LX100II, then click on the link given in the description. At number 4, we have Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II, also known as a pocket powerhouse of a compact camera. If we talk about features of Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II, it has a 20.1 megapixel resolution with a 1-inch sensor, 28 to 84mm f2 to 4.9 lens, 3-inch touchscreen monitor with 140,000 dots, 8.2 fps continuous shooting. While there is now a decent selection of premium 1-inch sensor compact camera to choose from, the Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II sets itself apart thanks to its slinky proportions and streamlined controls. The highly pocketable dimensions do mean there are sacrifices to be made with the PowerShot G9X Mark II, featuring a relatively short focal length zoom lens. If you want to buy a Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II, then click on the link given in the description. At number 3, we have Sony CyberShot RX10 IV. Expensive but highly capable and offering a huge focal range. Reasons to buy this camera are long zoom, 1-inch sensor, tilting, touch sensitive screen. If you are looking for a powerful all-in-one bridge camera, then RX10 IV from Sony is the best there is. You will pay a premium for that performance, but when you look at what else is out there for the same price, the RX10 IV is virtually in a league of its own, featuring a huge 24 to 600mm with f2.4 to 4 zoom lens. The RX10 IV builds on the RX10 III with an overhauled AF system that now does justice to the rest of the camera. While the 1-inch 20.1 megapixel sensor is capable of achieving excellent level of details. Handling is very polished, feeling like a DSLR in the hand and complemented by a large and bright electronic viewfinder. That's not forgetting the ability to capture video in 4K and shoot up to 24 fps. Impressive stuff. If you want to buy Sony CyberShot RX10 IV, then click on the link given in the description. At number 2, we have Panasonic Lumix ZS200, the best travel zoom camera you can buy right now. Reasons to buy this camera are long zoom length, 1-inch sensor and manual control. If we talk about the features of Panasonic Lumix ZS200, it has a 20.1 megapixel resolution with 1-inch sensor, 25 to 360mm with f3.3 to 6.4 lens, 3-inch touchscreen monitor with 12,40,000 dots, 10 fps continuous shooting. Design wise, the two compact cameras are very similar, so we are still laminating the lack of tilting screen for the TZ series. But otherwise, it's a stylish pocket-friendly camera that is absolutely ideal for your travel needs. The 1-inch sensor puts it in a realm above other travel compacts, while the long zoom sees it outperforms the Sony RX105. If you want to buy Lumix ZS200, then click on the link given in the description. At number 1, we have Fujifilm X100F. The X100F is the perfect compact camera for enthusiast photographer. Reasons to buy this camera are gorgeous looks and a very large screen. If we talk about the features of Fujifilm X100F, it has 24.3 megapixel resolution with APS-C CMOS sensor, 23mm with f2 lens, 3-inch monitor with 1,40,000 dots, 8 fps continuous shooting. The X100F is a compact camera, but it's got the same size sensor as DSLRs. It's paired with a lovely 35mm f2.0 fixed length lens, and while that sounds restrictive, it's superb for capturing street life and travel images, which really make you think about what you are photographing before indiscriminately hitting the shutter release. If you want to buy X100F, then click on the link given in the description. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching our reviews. Make sure you like the video and do subscribe to our channel. We will see you in another video.